After slow cooking, I'm air drying it in the fridge. Ready for air frying. Heating the air fryer. And it's ready for rotisserie cooking in the air fryer. After 15 minutes, let's take a look. Okay, it's looking good. After 30 minutes at 370 degrees Fahrenheit, this is how it looks now. And fats are dripping. Okay. Okay, nagmay titsura ng turkey. May ayaw yung titsura na. Sila successful sa gato pa. Lechon belly nga inaramit ko. Para kanak ti bubotyon. Hanggang bubotyon. Lechon ni bubot. Kita mampay na tanirwan. Okay. So, the dragon, brush up iti vegetable oil. Then, i-cover ko iti 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 10 minutes. Tapos paling crispy. Dahil ito'y kodil na. Alrighty. Okay, there you go. Pagbalin natin yung crispy. Dahil kodil na. 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Set ko iti 8 minutes. Okay, mayan. Nagmetitsura na ni. Ang successful dito ti ang daming tanong. Christmas Eve, ganun yung New Year's Eve. Ibig ka kumatang tatawa ti lechon. Nagmina. Nagtala. Okay. Alrighty. Bubotyon. Lechon ni bubot. Ayan. Pagkita mo rin na nagteted na manteka na sauce. Nagadol. Okay. Wala din kita nagteted eh. Tataba-tabalan. So, okay nga talaga ti air fryer. Ganyan. Alright. Okay. Time's up. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Kaya man crispy na ako din. Letsa. Nakaya patasin na sila isa. Sa tikado ti tabang alikat. Diyos ko, nagadol. Abo. Alright. Okay, no more strings attached. Yan. And then, time to slice it. Oh my God. Look at that. Man, tinig. Ooh. Alright. Sige, okay. Stop. And look at that. It looks very delicious.